friends, and welcome into the studio. It's probably not what you expected. It's all blue walls. Today we're going to talk about markers, as you can tell from the title. But before we do, I really wanted to thank everybody for taking the time to check out my videos, for leaving comments, for messaging me privately and letting me know what you guys thought about the videos or what you guys thought I could do better. Just any of that criticism or support, it means a lot to me. It's the kind of thing that allows an artist to do what they do and branch out and try different things, which this is for me. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not, I've never been educated in how to present things. I never, ever want to be in front of the camera. Like, I'm feeling pretty awkward right now about it. But I want to talk about artwork, and I want to bring new products to people, and I want to show off how I do what I do. And it feels like a natural extension of things, and I'm going to work at it. I'm going to get better at it, and I know I'm going to do that with your guys' support, and that means a lot to me. And I'm always going to be grateful for the support of my sponsors, fellow artists, fans, and friends. I'm the luckiest. So about a year ago, Chroma messaged me on my Instagram and said, hey, can you check out our markers? I think you'll really enjoy them. Many of you guys met me through Copic. I would do artwork. I would tag them in it. They would share my artwork, and it would definitely grow my channel. But what I didn't love was the comments that I would get, or the messages I would get from younger artists saying, I'm never going to be able to draw like you because I can't afford these markers. Or I talked my parents into buying me these markers, so now I'm going to be able to draw like you. It's just not the way it works. I get it. I'm a sports fan, as you can tell. And I grew up thinking, hey, if I get these sneakers, I'm going to be able to play like my favorite basketball player. It doesn't work that way. There's hours and hours and hours of work put into every single portrait. And when I say hours and hours put into every portrait, I don't mean just on that portrait. There's hours and hours of bad drawings that I did to learn how to do good drawings. The markers get you over the hump once you get there. Like, once you've developed a certain amount of skill, certainly the markers and the tools that you use can make a difference, a slight difference in like how things look, but the skill has to be there. And I was very dubious when Chroma messaged me, but I fell in love with their markers because it was the holy grail of what I was looking for, which is affordable pro alcohol markers. And when I say pro, every single thing that I did on this piece, which is a pro piece, skin tone, purple tones, space, the gray tones in the Silver Surfer, every single thing you see here was created using these markers in this set. And when I'm talking pro markers, I'm talking a full 216 Chroma Light set for $299. That's a full marker set. All the skin tones, all the gray tones, all the blue tones, all of the oranges and yellows and reds. $299 at the door. How do you find this? That's probably what you're thinking right now. Follow the links. I'm going to post some stuff up here, little pop-up thing up here, and there'll be links in the description. Go to Chroma NYC on Instagram. When you go there, they got a little link to their website like a lot of us do. Their website has a ton of great markers for a great price. So click on that, click up in the corner. They have an option for light or flagship markers. You cannot go wrong. The flagship markers are amazing. I'll talk about them next week. But click on the light. When you scroll down, there will be a little button and it'll say shop. Click on shop. At the very bottom of that page is the 216 marker set for $299. And again, you can't go wrong. You can fill out so many of the colors that an artist needs to do landscapes, to do fashion, to do uniforms or costumes on superheroes. This is invaluable. It's an honest to God valuable resource. They come in this beautiful canvas bag that has actually comes with a strap here, so you can hook it on, carry it, travel with it. Inside, the markers come in these little cubes to make them easier to present on your desk, or I put them in a rolling caddy so that I can use them anywhere in the studio and move them around a little bit. But you can move them in the bag if you want and just kind of set the bag out. For me, that takes a little extra space on the desk, and I'd rather just have them in the caddy. But it's up to you. Do it the way you want to do. And it's very affordable for $300 for that many markers. As most of you know, if you've ever priced out larger sets of Copic, it can run you $1,000. I don't get paid by Chroma to talk about markers. I get markers from Chroma to talk about markers. I wouldn't want all of these free markers. I wouldn't care to have all of these free markers if I couldn't do what I do with them. I use these markers. I promise you, you guys won't be disappointed. It really means a lot to me to put my name with quality markers, quality paper. All of my sponsors, it's because I use them, and it's because they're invaluable to me doing what I do. And I think that they'll be invaluable to you doing what you do. So thank you for sitting through the review. I hope that I'll get better at these. Again, I'm not the world's greatest presenter. Please leave me comments to tell me how I did, or just tell me what you guys want to see in the future. And if you found me through search and haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you feel like. But thank you. More of the short form drawings sped up. I'll do more of the long form drawings where I'm talking. I'll do more of these reviews, and hopefully eventually I'll be talking to some of my artist friends about their process via two-way Skype, and those should be fun because everybody loves learning from other artists. I know I do. Till then, thank you again.